Omutumbi gw'obiira chairman w'entebe ya kataano ahabwa district ya Hoima Kirungi Kadiri hamwe n'omurinzi we Bosco Otim yayakirwa aha mbuga nkuru za district omu Marira hamwe n'enaku. Eshanduuke eshwekirwe bendera ya NRM yatwarwa mu rukiiko rwa district nukwe mukuru w'empanura za council Swayebu Nyangabyaki okwanjurira ba kansara amakuru g'okufa kwa chairman wabo ahagati y'okushangura Marira.
Successfully ran and completed his race. We therefore do appreciate his great and wonderful contribution to the development of this district.
Honorable Speaker and members of Council, Honorable Kirungi Kadiri shall be remembered for his very distinguished service in this council, right from 2001 when he represented the youth in the Hoima District Council.
Ba kansara bagamba ha mugenzi nk'omuntu obiira atari kubiika kiniga kandi arukukorera abantu be.
A tolerant leader, to the extent that I'm not afraid to give a testimony that in the first elections I did not back him. I was the supporter of Honorable Savannah Vise. But immediately after winning elections and coming from Kiborovia, and him coming as the district chairperson, he had the spirit of oneness and working together. He appointed me the Secretary for Education, which is very not common.
So very many Ugandans have faced, have died, but we have forgotten them forever. So I'm just proposing, what are members of this council that support this idea? If you fail to support me, I'm going to name my child Kadiri. So I'm a Catholic. Because I don't want us to forget this gentleman.
Abandi basima emirimo ye n'ebitiiso bye ebibiire bigenderire kutungura Hoima.
This gentleman who is now lying in state had all the powers and the influence, but he was humble, he was obedient, he loved togetherness, and he never ever crossed boundaries.
Kadiri ono nyakutwairwe ekimbaire ni mumanyaho muno uli mutima gw'okwebundaza omusaija abaire mwebundazi.
Amran Tumusiime orumurumuna w'omugenzi kandi RDC wa Kikuube yagamba ngu Kadiri nabaza kumwijuka ahabo kurwanirira omuntu wa burijo.
Mube nimwetegeeza omwingo gundi baitu nkwena kubagambya Kadiri n'obaire omuntu omwangu okukola nawe habw'okubaganyira bwangu takwatiira kandi ari very humble man. Kadiri tasa kubaza nayi kukuramu kyagoza takozero hati.
Kadiri abiire nahereza enshuro ya kabiri nka chairman wa Hoima kandi aferira ha myaka 87 bwanyuma yo kugumura obutandu orwa kataano omuri Mitaji Bukomero omu district ya Kiboga. Gashakwa Ambrose niwagaba Katoto.